Enjoy the video.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Hi guys.
Let me focus.
So you might saw the last one of our other videos where we did a part when we did making slime, and this is gonna be our part 2, and we're making different slimes. We made like this green one, that was mine, and then Ashlynn's this glossy one. So we're switching, kind of. So play it with it.
It was
So we're having the same bowls.
Yeah.
I need a new spoon.
Go grab one.
I don't know where they are. But I'll tell you what's going on. So we're gonna change up the slimes. I'm gonna do the glossy one like this
Clear.
with red, and she's gonna do
Fluffy.
the fluffy with yellow. So hopefully this will turn out good. Maybe it won't.
Can you pick
Who
that up?
cares?
It's on your side. Oh, wait, no, I got it.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the glue. Mine's still green from last
Can I use the
time.
rest of this white glue?
Sure.
I love the sounds of glue make.
It sounds hilarious. Oh, I tried to put this on this. I thought this was.
Where's the white one?
What?
Wait.
No.
Oh. Okay, I need some lotion now.
What do I do?
Just add some water.
It's already wet.
Okay, so then just start activating, I guess.
What about color?
Oh, add the color in.
So, hopefully this is a good red, and the red's on me. It looks like blood.
It looks dark right now.
Look how dark
Don't
this
add
is.
too much because then it's going to get really dark. Unless you want it really dark.
Oh, fine. This is a little spoon.
Sorry, we didn't have
I
any
can't even
big-
see the slime.
It won't come out. Because you're in a dark bowl and stuff. So. It'll probably turn out kind of pinkish, honestly.
No, my spoon's falling.
I'll make a fluffy slime.
That's all. Okay. Yeah.
Because I'm making a big fluffy slime. Yeah.
So what do I do now?
Activate it.
Where's the activator? Where?
You want to use borax or... Here's the borax one.
No, I don't want to do borax. What did you do?
Contact lens solution.
Did you do the baking soda?
Yeah.
Which one did I do first?
Baking soda.
How much did I put in?
Let's make it.
Stop spoon. The spoon keeps on falling.
Oh, it looks red or orange.
Ashlynn, my spoon keeps on falling.
So, this is turning out orange.
Oh!
That's weird. Hold up. What the?
This is right on the... the thing fell.
That. It wasn't a perfect spot, honestly.
Now it just look at my arm.
It's such a pretty yellow. I'm gonna start using food coloring instead of paint. I used to always use...
Oh! Look at your face, Ashlynn. Oh, yeah, you got it.
This is really pretty yellow. I feel like I'm gonna
Is this enough or is this too much? Okay.
That's perfect.
I'm telling you, see, you're about to sit. So, do I put the contact solution or just start mixing? Okay.
Mix in the baking soda and then do the contact lens solution.
Wow.
That's what I usually do. I think I'm gonna get a little darker when this is mixed in. Yeah, this is turn orange.
This won't stand right. Oh! Can you help me, Ashlynn?
Nope. Oh, that's way too much.
Ashlynn, how do I get this contact solution?
It's not even open.
Oh. How much should I put in?
Just Just go until it's not as sticky anymore, and then start playing with it with your hands.
So that's all I need to do for glossy slime?
It's clear. I'll show you a trick. Do this with borax. Use a little bit of a second. And then do that. It works so well.
I'm almost done.
Me too. I shouldn't have added baking soda in with this.
Yeah, the same thing as me last time.
I realized that. Yeah. I can fix it though. It's just really strange.
Actually, what do I do? It won't mix.
I don't know. Well, I don't know.
What did you do?
Just kept adding it in the contact sensation. I think this turned out really good. I love stringy slime for some odd reason. Very, it feels weird.
Oh, amazing.
So I have some stuff to be.
Just my slime.
This
Get
is
yours
mine.
out of the way.
Sorry. I was fixing yours for you.
Mine's red and glossy.
Mine is yellow and fluffy. So it's actually, they're almost mixing. We should have left these out. We should put them up, honestly, so they don't tie up. This one's so nice.
We should start a series when we just make slime.
Yeah.
We might do that, guys. We might not. Don't be getting your hopes up, because we might not.
I think I'm going to add in some beads to this, actually.
I'm not.
I have an idea. Here, take your bowl. Take your hat. Yeah, that works out perfectly.
My bowl.
Try a new way.
Wow. I think this video is almost done. This is shorter.
Yeah. This one's so nice with the beads. I thought I would flop, but honestly, this is really nice with the beads.
Help me. Oops.
You're mean. She didn't see. I can see what you're saying.
Subscribe below. Make sure you throw a pony at the subscribe button.
Yeah. This won't break.
You won't break.
Well, it finally broke. It's broke just like me.
Ashlynn, look, there's some on this table, so you can just take them. My pony. Hi, guys. Ooh. Oh.
So it has beads in it.
Decollide. Okay. This is really good slime. I get to keep this, right?
Yeah. That's your slime. You made it with your own hands, except I activated it a lot. But so.
Whoop. I'm gonna put pony in this. I have this weird Fluttershy thing. Oh. See if it works. Ashlynn, look.
What are you gonna name your slime? People name their slimes.
I don't want to name my slime.
You don't have to.
I don't have to. I'm gonna name that one Pony. Pony.
Pony puke. It's green.
Pony puke is rainbows.
I should have a rainbow slime. I think I got some beads in it by accident.
I hate you.
I'm sorry. It's not really raining. I got it in mine by accident.
What the rock? I got my green slime and my red slime.
Good job.
Hi guys, so we're ending the video. So what we came out with is we with this clear glossy goodness. Oh,
And I made this yellow fluffy, like kind of foam, not full out foam, just a little bit.
well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We might make a series. We might make more, but this is all for this video. Like and subscribe. Subscribe below. Leave a like below. If you want to comment, just don't be negative. Be nice. Well, bye.
Spread love, not hate.
Bye.